In this beginner's tutorial, we are going to learn about the desktop on Windows 10 and how to use it. With the desktop you can create shortcuts to useful programs and more. You will probably already have some icons on your desktop, like we have here. These icons are just shortcuts. The way we know that is because the icon has this arrow in the corner, so deleting this icon will not delete the program. You can left-click and drag an icon around the screen to place it where you like. If you right-click in a space on the desktop, this will bring up a menu. Under the View option, you will find you can change the icon sizes from small to large. Next, there is an option to auto-arrange icons on the desktop. With this, if you move an icon, it will always keep it to a fixed position, and other icons will move out the way if you move it in its place. Next, we have align icons to grid. This only works if the auto-arrange icons is turned off. With align icon switched on, it will align the icons always perfectly to the grid. But switching this off will allow you to place an icon anywhere without restrictions of movement. The Show Desktop Icons is by default switched on, but switching this off will hide all desktop icons. The next menu item is Sort By. With this you can sort icons by name, size, item type, or date modified. The next option is Refresh. This can be useful if you don't see an item on the desktop that should be there. Sometimes pressing refresh can fix this. If we would like to create a folder on the desktop to store files, you can do this anytime by right-clicking in a space on the desktop and selecting New, then Folder. Start typing a name for the folder and left-click anywhere outside of the box to set it. Double left-click that folder to open it, and you can drag the files you like in that folder. To delete the folder, left-click on it once and press the delete key on your keyboard, or alternatively right-click the folder and delete. You can rename a folder or shortcut anytime by right-clicking the icon and clicking Rename. Now we will look at changing the desktop background. Right-click on the desktop and select Personalize. In the box that opens, you can see some options. Under Background we have Picture selected. Where it says Choose Your Picture, you can click on any already shown or find your own by clicking Browse. Now we have the background selected, you can select the fit, fill, stretch, tile, center, etc. Just mess around with these until you find the right one for you. Going back to background again, use the pull-down menu and you can use solid color as a background. Just select the color from the list or use a custom color. The last option is Slideshow. Click Browse and find a folder that has your backgrounds in for them to change on your desktop every 30 minutes by default. You can change the time the wallpaper changes by using this pull-down menu. If you don't wish the photos to change in order, but would rather them shuffle, just switch this on here. We hope you found this tutorial useful. Please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.